Hey guys, so today we are going to learn about the puja items. So let's get started. Before getting to know the puja items, a little bit of introduction as to what is puja is definitely needed. Hindu religion and culture is a complex system of beliefs that bind together our faith and our values. Puja is an integral part of this faith. It is a ritual during which we make offerings to a deity in order to receive blessings of good fortune. The entire act of puja is a symbolic means of sharing devotion to a deity and surrendering oneself as a mark of true worship. Anyone who has faith and believes in God or Swami can perform the puja at their home. So, having faith in God is a sole qualification to do puja. So, let's see a few puja items. Devudu, which is a male god. Devata, a female god or goddess. Vigraham, an idol. That is, you're worshipping the god in the form of an idol, be it any god. Chaya Chitrapu Palaka, a photo frame. God is omnipresent and he can be invoked in statues, idols, photo frames, and Callosum. So we have invoked him in idol. Here, as you can see, is a Ganesh idol or Vigraham, and the other form is a picture, that is a photo frame. Now let's see about the formless worship, that is Callosum. So the Callosum consists of a metal pot called kumbam, usually made of clay, brass or stainless steel. This signifies the human body. A coconut, which is a head, mango leaves, the devas, thread woven around the kumbam, that is the nerves, cloth tied around the kumbam, skin, water inside the kumbam as blood, darpai as hair, mantras, life. So here we are invoking the god in Callosum as a formless worship. Dhupam, known as incense cone. And the another form of dhupam is agarbakti, that is incense stick. So the reason why we lit dhupam or agarbatti is to awaken the god or goddess and symbolizes the beginning of the worship. Burning the incense sticks fill the room with scent, symbolizing the presence of the deity. Puvula danda, that is a flower garland. Flowers are often placed to honor the deity. Pasupu, which is turmeric. Turmeric can remove the negativity of the house. Thus, keep a glass of water mixed with a pinch of turmeric during your prayer and sprinkling that water after the prayers help remove negativity. Kumkuma. Kumkuma has a special significance in any puja. Kumkuma has been considered as a sacred substance to provide infinite quantity. Its red color symbolizes auspiciousness, enthusiasm, and courage. Gandham, that is sandalwood powder. The sandal paste is used in worshipping the deities, especially for applying tilak on the forehead of the sacred idols. Karpuram, which is camphor. The fumes and the fragrance of the camphor possess the power to redefine your surroundings by releasing healing energies that uproot any negative energies present and magnify the positive energies. Tamalapaku, a betel leaf. Betel leaf is used to worship gods. Vakka, which is a betel nut. So the betel leaf and the betel nut symbolize loyalty and a strong bond. It's a symbol of prosperity. So according to Ramayana, the time when Sri Hanuman reached Lanka to convey the message of Lord Rama to Sita Devi, she gave him a garland made with betel leaves when she couldn't find anything else to offer him as a token of delight and appreciation. This is why people offer betel leaves while worshipping Sri Hanuman. Kobbari Kaya, that is a coconut. Breaking of the coconut represents the breaking of ego, which is a prerequisite for the attainment of wisdom. Breaking of the ego results in your mind become as white as the broken coconut, and the water within is the nectar of the divine knowledge. Ganta, the bell. In Hinduism, bells are generally hung at the temples in front of the Garbhagriha. It is said that by ringing the bell, the devotee informs the deity his or her arrival. The sound of the bell is considered auspicious, which welcomes divinity and dispels evil. Arati Pandu, a banana. Coconut and banana are the only two fruits which are considered to be the sacred fruits. All other fruits are tainted fruits, that is, they might be partially eaten fruits by insects, birds, and animals, but these are not. Muggu, also known as Rangoli. The purpose of Muggu or Rangoli is to feel strength, generosity, and it is thought to bring good luck. According to one of the stories found in the Puranas, it is believed that goddess Lakshmi resides in the homes that are clean, have clean entrance, purified with the cow dung, and decorated with beautiful rangolis. Usually, these patterns are drawn using materials such as rice flour or chalk powder and the flower petals at the entrance of the homes and within, where daily puja or worship is done. Tambulam. This will be given usually in any religious activities or any rituals by the host to the guest before they take leave. The written gift in this case will be anything between a fruit, such as a banana or a lemon or even a coconut, along with the betel leaves and a betel nut. Some usually accompany it with a clothing garment. This is a gesture to show their appreciation to the guest for visiting their homes. Pujari, a priest who offers his prayers at the temple. In Sanskrit, a lamp is known as Deepam. It is said that goddess Rajarajeshwari resides in a Deepam, and she represents the combined form of goddesses Durga, Lakshmi, and Saraswati. Lighting an oil lamp dispels the darkness of ignorance. Lighting a lamp awakens the Atma Jyoti within oneself, that is, the glow of soul. Aura around the lamp represents Atma Prakash, that is, the light of soul. Predominant light of the lamp represents Atma Tej, the radiance of soul. Now let's have a look about Panchamritam. Pancha means 5. Panchamritam is used in puja and abhishekam and distributed as prasadam. Panchamritam is a combination of 5 ingredients: cow's milk, curd, cow's ghee, honey, and coconut water. Some also use sugar instead of coconut water. Milk, palu. Milk symbolizes holiness and purity. Perugu, curd or yogurt. It symbolizes prosperity and better living. Tene, honey. It symbolizes sweet speech and unity. Coconut water or sugar symbolizes sweetness and bliss. Aavu neyi, cow's ghee, symbolizes victory and knowledge. When combined together, they improve and enhance the gunas or the good qualities of each other. Thank you for watching, guys. So please do subscribe to my channel to get notified about my upcoming educative videos.